Hello everyone, my name is Marcal Randy Bartolome and today I'm going to teach you how to connect Client OS in Windows Server 2008. So let's first start with the instructions. We need to create a Client OS, one Windows XP with the last name dash XP, and one Windows 7. The file name is going to be last name dash Windows 7, and we are going to connect it to our Windows Server domain, which is the Windows Server 2008. The Windows 7 must belong to a Class A network, while the Windows XP must belong to a Class B network, and we will try to log in 5 students per account per section per OS. So, um, installing operating system. So first we need to install the ISO file for the Windows XP, and we are going to do the same for the Windows 7. So we are going to start the virtual machine, the virtual box, and follow the on-screen procedure. This is what the final output should look like, which is Windows 2008, which is our server. Bartolome Win 7 is our Windows 7, and Bartolome XP is our Windows XP. So before setting up, you would want to do this. Um, with your BM virtual machine powered off, go to the settings, which is clear here. Go to your settings and click on network. There we go. And under the network, you're going to find the adapter number 1. Make sure this is attached under internal network. This allows the virtual machine to connect directly to the network. So let's go next. Do the same configuration for Windows 7 and click OK to save. So after installing, you want to configure the addresses of those virtual machines. So after installing it, for this example, we're going to use the Windows 7. We're going to go to the control panel, network and sharing center, and change adapter. Right click on the adapter network and select properties. So this is what it's going to look like. This is the control panel. You want to click right here, and you are going to be greeted with the control panel. You want to click somewhere around here, find the network and internet settings, and you want to click here the change adapter setting. After that, you are greeted with this. You want to right click on that, and you will be prompted by this. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. So once you click that, this button will highlight and you will want to click properties. Now you are going to be greeted with this. Choose the following IP address and set one for Class A, subnet, default gateway, and DNS server address. So after doing all that, you want to input specifically what you were going to use. Make sure it is paired nicely with the Windows server. Um, since you're going to use the server of that DHCP server as your address here. So afterwards, it will show you that you are now connected. As for Windows XP, you are going to follow the same step, and with some login credentials, you can log in using alternate accounts you set up in Windows 7, Windows Server 2008. So that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.